Unleash your inner artist. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back to filming now that the holiday season is over, so make sure you guys look out for more videos coming soon. I want to get this video up first because it's a special one. So the James Charles X Morphe palette came out. It's the Unleash Your Inner Artist palette, which I'm really excited about. The unicorn is beautiful. Congratulations, James, on your success. This is the palette right here. It's a beautiful, sleek black palette. And it just says Morphe and James Charles. It's actually really good with handprints. It's not as bad, so I like it. Let me give you guys a little sneak peek of the inside. So this is the palette. Now there's 39 shades in here, and 7 of the shades are huge, and those are usually the ones that you use, which I really like. And then it has the names on here. So I wish the names were actually on the palette. But I mean, it's not that big of a difference. That's only for YouTube purposes, you know? But this is beautiful. I'm really excited to do a look with this. If you guys want to see what look I come up with using this palette, keep on watching and stay tuned. Okay, so as you guys can see with my outfit, the background, my eyes, I'm in a very blue mood. So I think I'm going to be taking... Where's the insert? I lost the insert. What's going on, Sam? Okay. Here's the insert. So I think I'm going to go in with Playground, Cola, Acapella, and Hello on top. I don't know what I'm going to do at the bottom yet, so I'm going to start off with the shade Playground. Oh. Alright, so first I'm going to prime my lids. He told us to use the Painterly Paint Pot by MAC, so I'm going to use that to quickly put on my lid. Now I normally use concealer as a base, but he said specifically not to, so I just want to give these shadows the best chance they have. So I'm going to go in with the color Playground, I believe. Yeah, Playground. I'm going to dip it in there. And I'm just going to stamp it right in the crease. Alright, so the color is pretty. It's a nice muted blue color. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pack this color onto the crease first, and then worry about blending. So I'm really excited that this palette has so many different colors. As you can see, it's a pastel-y blue and it's coming out really nicely and pigmented, so that's exciting. So I'm just gonna blend this out a little bit now, right around the edges. Really take it around. Go like this. I mean, you guys can even see the pigment, so. So I don't want you guys to be scared about all this color because I know it can be intimidating using color and blending and all that. So I'm going to do an easy look, but I'm also going to make it look really nice and fun. So keep watching each step. I'm going to make it very easy for you guys. I'm not going to use too many different brushes either. So I'm going to kind of wing it out at the ends over here. Alright, so once we have that, so I'm going to take a clean blending brush. This is the Morphe M505, and I'm just going to buff these edges out. It's buffing away very nicely and very beautifully, and as you can see, the pigment is still there, but you can see it's a nice blended look. So I'm going to take a little bit of that color back on the brush. And this is the first brush I use, which is the M514. Go right there. And go in with the blender brush. Oh, so don't worry too much about it, but there you go. So I have like the initial color down. Now, with that first brush that I use, the M514, I'm gonna go in with Cola, which is a darker, almost cobalt blue. It actually matches the backdrop very nicely. So I'm gonna push that a little lower from that color. As you can see, oh, it's such a beautiful color. Go back in. I don't even have to pack it in that much. Look how pigmented that is. Just squeeze it right into my crease right there. Really build this color now for some depth. So I have to go to Target after this, and I feel like everyone's gonna look at me funny because I'm gonna have like a crazy blue smoky eye, but I don't care. So one thing I like the way that's set up in this palette is that kind of in like a quad, like the 4 colors that are around each other kind of makes a whole look. And you have like the lighter transition color, you have a little bit more of a depth color, then you can have like a sparkly lid color and a dark deep color. So I really like how it's all set up, but there's so many options for colors in this palette that any kind of look you want to do, even if you want to do a quick little fun look or a nice little quick brown smoky eye or a nice little pop, just everything is in here for you. So you basically just need this palette. Alright, so now I'm going to start taking the color Acapella, which is the main blue color, and I take a little bit of that just to see. It is a little shimmery, so I'm just going to see what it looks like in the crease a little bit, but a little bit lower if it's dark enough. Oh, I love it already. And we got that little bit of that. Alright. Oh, it's a beautiful blue color. Now I'm going to go in with that blender brush. Now this blender brush didn't have any product on it, but I'm going to mix in a little bit of Playground and Cola just to help blend out the edges. Right over here, and it helps really blend out those edges. So now for some depth, I'm going to take Spooky, which is his black, and also Cola. So mix those two a little bit, so I get a little darker of a blue. Now I think this black is very pigmented, so let's see. I'll place that right. Can you tell it just got a little darker in there? Okay, so mix that a little bit more. There you go. See that? Nice and pigmented. So if you take any shadow and you add a little bit black to it, it'll make it a darker version of that color. I want to put a little bit of black gel liner as a base on my lids, and then I want to put in Acapella and really pack it on and see if I can get a nice like bold color. So let's see. I'm going to try to avoid the inner corner because I'm going to put a nice bright color in there. So I'm just going to you guys can use any creamy gel liner that you guys have. Just going to put this on the lid. Feather out the edges. Like I was saying, doing this process because I'm lifting my forehead, I can see that I need Botox again, and it's really annoying me. So I already did the next eye. I just have a black base. I kept it clear in the inside just because I'm going to put a nice bright color in there. Now, I know I look a little crazy, but this helps when you put a black base under like a sparkle or something, it really like brings it up a notch. I'm going to give the color Acapella a nice chance, so I'm going to take the Acapella color. I'm going to dab it right over that. Oh my god. Holy shit, that's beautiful. Oh my god, can you guys see? Oh, yes you can. You can see it. You can see it. Oh. This blue is stunning. So I just zoomed you guys in so you can see the color. Like, look at this. look at this pigment, look at the sheen. That is such a beautiful blue color. Oh my god, look at that. Oh! I mean, the edges aren't blended out, but that's stunning. Okay, so now I'm gonna take Cola and Acapella. I'm gonna use that to help blend the edges right in the crease. So I'm going to do the same to the other eye. But have you guys been watching any new shows on Netflix? Let me know down below, because I just started Bates Motel from a suggestion from a friend, and I'm like low-key, high-key, like obsessed. Alright, I'm going to take that color again, just really blend this out over here. Blend it. Oh my god, that's so beautiful. Alright. I was going to use another color on the bottom, but I kind of really like this blue one. What color should I do on the bottom, guys? I don't know. Because I really want to use a lot of the colors, like as much as I can, so I think I'm going to do a pink on the bottom. So I'm going to start off with the color Pickety Drinkety, which is actually James's favorite drink, I think, from Starbucks. So I'm going to take a little bit of Pinkety Drinkety and kind of use it on the bottom. It might not show up because I feel like...
Yeah, I think I'm too dark for that. My brown ass cannot, yeah. Okay.
Scratch that. I'm going to take Skip. I'm just going to go in. Look at that. Look at that! Alright, and I'm going to... blow that down under my eyes. This looks like cotton candy. I like it. So I'm gonna do the same on the other side. And I have to say, for all this color I've been using, and I have my face done, because when I do a look like this, I usually don't like do my face, so I can clean up. But there's like no fallout at all. So I'm gonna make that ugly face that everyone makes when they're blending eyeshadow on the bottom. You know what? It's unleash your inner artist. So I'm gonna blow this out all the way back here. I really want to get that color in there. So I'm gonna use this as the transition color. So I'm really gonna get in there. So now I'm going to take a little bit of, I think, Love That. Just kidding, it's called Love That. And I'm going to get that a little closer to the lashes. It's like a maroony, pinkish, reddish color, so I think it's going to be nice. Oh my god, I'm loving this look right now. I'm going to bring that around that too. Okay, so this also is going to look all very crazy, but once the lashes go on, it's going to look sickening. I'm just going to go with this flat shader brush from Wet n Wild. So I'm going to go in with the color Escape, which is a dark purple. And I'm going to go to the root of the lash line a little bit more. So I think the purple is going to be a nice little touch. So I'll pick up from the blue. And I think I'm going to get Escape and Spooky again, just to make it a darker purple. Really good against that lash line. The color artistry is a pearlescent color, and a lot of people saying it's not showing up, but I think it's like, it doesn't have a base to it. It's more of like a top coat, if you want to think of it that way. And I think I'm just going to add it into like the inner corner of the purple. And then for the top, I'm going to be adding the color Hello and add that to the, I'm going to add that to the inner tear duct. So I'm going to start off with Hello. Really getting in there. I'm going to add it right. Oh my god. This is like a bright Tiffany blue. Do you guys see that? Oh my god. Okay. This is beautiful. So obviously I'm new to the game on YouTube and I don't have any affiliate codes or anything like that. This is like my true honest like opinion and review. Like so far all the shadows that I've been using are like amazing. I really, to be honest, didn't expect it to be this good, but it's beautiful. I'm gonna go back in with that flat brush that I had that beautiful blue color, the darker one that was on my lid, and help blend the edges out of that a little bit. And then for the bottom, I'm gonna take that color Artistry and tap off. See if I can build this up a little bit. Okay, just poke my eye out. So for my brow bone, I think I'm gonna take Ring Light and just add that right there. I'm gonna take a little bit of Hello and just add it to the center just to give it a nice little pop. Oh, I love that. Okay. I just want it to look like a nice little beam of shine. I'm gonna blend those edges a little bit so it's not there. You go. See, so just love that. All right, so from here, I'm going to put on lashes. I'm not gonna show that on camera. It's just too annoying. I'm gonna make these weird faces and I'm not gonna be in frame. So I'm gonna put my favorite pair of lashes on and I will be right back and I'll show you the look with lashes and then we'll finish up. All right, so we're back. I have the lashes on. All right, so what do you guys think? I feel like this looks like a cotton candy fantasy right now. I'm literally obsessed. So I really want to do a cool, fun, colorful look. I blew it out. I gave it some nice little like colored wings. So I played around with the whole bottom over here and I love it. This palette is phenomenal. I think it's wonderful for people who love color, who really want to get creative. And even if you have a kit, to be honest, because it has all your browns, your reds, your purples, your greens, anything you want and anything that a client asks for, you literally can do it off this one palette. And I love the fact that there's the huge pans in the middle of like all the colors that you're going to use all the time that are like transitions or just go-to colors. And come Halloween, I know everyone's going to be pulling out this palette because it has beautiful colors. They all blend out beautifully, and I have nothing like bad to say about it. I love this palette. I'm really surprised. I really thought it was going to be like a okay palette and just, you know, fun and all that, but this definitely gets like a good couple of like stars in my book. I think it's beautiful. I think it was done beautifully. So yeah, I mean, it's $39 for 39 shades and that's $1 an eyeshadow, so you really can't beat it. So I love you guys. Hope you enjoyed this, and until my next video, I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your November. I love you guys, and yeah, bye.